Hi there, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make this awesome hat. It's the last hat tutorial of the season. I have made quite a few using some budget-friendly chunky yarn that I wanted to try out and use up. I used 5.5mm crochet hook and almost a whole skein of this chunky yarn that is around 160 yards. If you are interested in other hats I have made, click the link above or check the description. Also, I have an Etsy shop where you can find a written version of some patterns. Feel free to visit, but just a heads up, the PDF pattern for the hat in this video isn't available there. Enjoy the tutorial, and if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe for more. We will start with the foundation chain. The length of this foundation chain is also the height of your hat. The foundation chain must be any multiply of 2 plus 1. I'm gonna to chain 39, you might chain less or more. And once you finish, you will start work in the second chain from the hook and make 1 half double crochet into the next 4 chains. So starting in the second chain from the hook, make 1 half double crochet into the next 4 chains. So this is your first half double crochet, second half double crochet, third half double crochet, and fourth one. And from now on we will work in the sequence. We will skip next stitch, we will make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. Then we will skip the next stitch and we will make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. So continue that sequence until you reach the second chain from the end. So skip next stitch, make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch, one, and second one into the same stitch. Now skip next stitch and make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. So 1 and 2. Continue until you reach the second chain from the end. So I will see you at the end of row number 1. Last 2 chains left, we will make 1 slip stitch into the last 2 stitches. 1 slip stitch, second slip stitch. And now this end of your row is the top of your hat, and that one is the bottom of your hat. Chain 1 and turn your work, and row number 2 will start with 1 slip stitch into the first 2 stitches, and you might work under both loops or under back loops only, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna work under the back loops, but you might work under both loops. So first slip stitch, second slip stitch, and now we will work 2 half double crochet every second stitch. So we will insert our hook into every second stitch and we will make 2 half double crochet in there. So yarn over, skip next stitch and insert your hook into the next one. So this was your first half double crochet. Now make second half double crochet into the same stitch. Now skip next stitch, make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. Skip next stitch, make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch, and continue until you reach the 4th stitch from the end. And here at the bottom of our hat we will make 1 half double crochet into the last 4 stitches, but we'll work in the back loops only. So here's your back loops and front loops. We will work only in the back loops. So 1 half double crochet into the last 4 stitches. Then chain 1 and turn your work. And from now on we will repeat row number 1 and 2 as many times as needed. The number of rows determines the width of the hat. As you make new rows, check if the hat is reached the desired width for your head. So one more time, row number 3, we will make 1 half double crochet into the first 4 stitches in the back loops only. So 1 half double crochet into the first 4 stitches in the back loops only. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now skip the next stitch and make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. Skip next stitch, make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. Continue until you reach the second stitch from the end. And now make 1 slip stitch into the last 2 stitches. You can make it under both loops or under the back loops only. So 1 slip stitch into the last 2 stitches. So make as many rows as you need. I will see you when I finish all my rows. I have achieved the width I wanted. Now we will stitch the edges of the hat and then the top of the hat using a needle. Cut the yarn, making sure to leave a long enough tail. It should be sufficient for sewing the sides and later the top of the hat. Thread the yarn on the needle and fold the hat in the half. It doesn't matter which side is on the outside as both looks the same. Align the 2 edges very precisely and sew stitch by stitch. Don't skip any. So insert your needle under the first stitch and then under the second stitch under both loops and pull the yarn. And then next stitch from one side, next stitch from the other side and pull. Continue until you reach the top of the hat. And here we want to make a knot or even 2 knots. So make 1 or 2 knots on the top of the hat before we start to closing our hole. 1 second knot. And now we will start to close our hole. Just insert your needle under the top stitches of the hat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and every 5 stitches I pull the yarn and then next stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and pull and continue all around. And once you finish, pull the yarn to close the hole like this. The hole should be completely closed. And now sew through the top of the hat a few times to be sure it's secured enough. You can add the pom-pom at the top of your hat, it also looks nice. And once you finish secure, just turn your hat inside out, make last final knot inside and cut your yarn. And that's it, that's the hat is finished. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please leave thumbs up. Thanks for watching, bye.